Hi everyone. In continuation of terminology expenditure, today we will talk about capital expenditure. What is capital expenditure? Any expenditure incurred for acquiring or increasing the value of fixed asset is considered as capital expenditure. So the amount, for example, you are spending money to purchase land or building or to buy plant and machinery or erection of plant and machinery would be considered as a capital expenditure. So capital expenditure is written in the asset side of the balance sheet and its benefits are going to be achieved. You will achieve the benefits of the capital expenditure over the long period of time. So this is called the capital expenditure. Do tune into this channel for further updates or further discussions on the expenditure terminologies. Thank you for watching this video.